Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change your Google Chrome location. Open your Google Chrome, then click on the three vertical dots on the top right corner of your browser. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. In the left hand menu, click on the Site Settings. Find Location Settings. Scroll down and click on Location. Adjust to control how website use your location. Toggle the settings at the top to ask before access or block. You can also add specific sites to allow or block list. Manage allow or block sites. Under allow, you can add sites that you want to permit access to your location. Under blocked, you can add site that you want to deny access to your location. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube